How to add a page on Google Docs. First thing you do is open up your Google Chrome or any other browser and head over to docs.google.com. Hit enter, and from here you can create a blank document. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that. Now you can insert different kind of words or text. So let me just generate some words here. And once you do that, you could just go ahead and paste the words. As you guys can see here, I have got 3 pages. So let's say if I want to add a page between 2 and 3. So I want a blank page above the third page. What I'm going to do is move my cursor all the way to the top, go to insert, and then from here, you're going to have to find something called break. And then from here, you could add a page break. And as you can see, I've gotten a blank page right here on the third. You could also do this by pressing Control plus Enter. So let's say if I want a blank page right below this, so wherever my cursor is, move it to the very end, press Control plus Enter. Now you've gotten a new fresh page. That's it for this video, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.